How should a 12-year-old go about approaching a potential girlfriend?
Hello, young ones. Today, we're going to discuss a very exciting topic: how to approach your first crush. It can be a bit nerve-wracking, especially when you're 12 and it's all very new. But don't worry, we're here to guide you step by step.
Understand your feelings.
First, it's important to understand your feelings. At the age of 12, you're just starting to experience these new, intense emotions. Try to differentiate between a simple friendship and a crush. Having a crush often includes feeling nervous around the person, thinking about them a lot, and wanting to spend more time with them.
Be yourself.
The most important advice in any relationship is to be yourself. Pretending to be someone you're not is not a healthy way to start any relationship. Be genuine, be authentic, be you. Remember, if the person doesn't like you for who you are, they might not be the right person for you.
Start with friendship.
Before rushing into a girlfriend-boyfriend situation, try becoming friends first. Spend time together, get to know each other, and build a strong bond. This is often the best way to establish a good foundation for a more serious relationship down the line.
Communicate your feelings.
Expressing your feelings can be scary, but it's a crucial part of building a relationship. Choose a comfortable and quiet place where you can talk without being interrupted. Be clear, direct, and honest about your feelings. But remember, it's important to respect her feelings too. She may need time to process your revelation or may not reciprocate your feelings, and that's okay.
Respect her decision.
After expressing your feelings, it's crucial to respect her response. She might need time to think about it, or she may not feel the same way. Whatever her decision is, be respectful and understanding. This is an essential part of growing up and learning about relationships. So there you have it. Approaching your first crush might feel a bit daunting, but with understanding, authenticity, friendship, communication, and respect, you're well on your way. Remember, every experience is a learning opportunity. So be brave, be kind, and always be respectful. Good luck, young hearts!